This is how to make the juiciest Arayes, which are pita pockets stuffed with spiced ground meat and grilled to crispy perfection. Start by gently toasting coriander, cumin and sesame seeds until they smell fragrant, which will really bring out their flavours. Grind your own spices for this recipe, it really is much tastier, and add your spices to your ground mince. I'm using a mix of beef and lamb. Then add salt, ground black pepper, ground allspice, dry thyme and smoked paprika. Add a blended or very finely grated onion, including the juices, plenty of fresh minced garlic and fresh chopped parsley, and mix your spiced ground meat, making sure everything is evenly and well combined. I prefer to refrigerate the mince to let those spices mingle a little, but you can prepare your Arayes immediately too. Next, prepare your pita pockets. Carefully split open your pita breads. Try to use the softest, fluffiest pita you can find. It will make this much easier. Then stuff plenty of your mince into those pockets, being careful not to overfill them because this may prevent them cooking through fully. If you refrigerated your mince, allow it to come up to room temperature first so they cook through properly. Oil your grill with a little olive oil and let your Arayes cook on a medium-low heat for 5 minutes on each side and seal the meat at the end. And that's all there is to it. I like to serve mine with a sprinkle of sumac and a squeeze of lemon and garlic sauce. And if you enjoyed the recipe, please like, subscribe, click that notification bell, and thank you for watching.